To use the Brigit app, start by downloading and installing it from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign up for an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will then be asked to link your bank account to the app, which is necessary for Brigit to monitor your account balance and provide cash advances when needed. After linking your bank account, you will need to set up your account settings, including your income and expenses. This information will help Brigit understand your financial situation and provide personalized recommendations. You can also set up notifications to alert you when your account balance is low or when a cash advance is available. To request a cash advance, simply open the app and click on the cash advance option. Brigit will then review your account information and provide a cash advance of up to $250. The cash advance will be deposited directly into your bank account, and you can repay it when you receive your next paycheck. One of the key features of the Brigit app is its ability to provide financial insights and recommendations. The app will analyze your spending habits and provide suggestions on how to save money and avoid overdraft fees. You can also use the app to track your income and expenses and set financial goals for yourself. To get the most out of the Brigit app, it is recommended that you use it regularly and keep your account information up to date. This will ensure that the app can provide accurate financial insights and recommendations. Additionally, you should always review the terms and conditions of the cash advance before accepting it, and make sure you understand the repayment terms. Overall, the Brigit app is a useful tool for managing your finances and avoiding overdraft fees. By following these steps and using the app regularly, you can take control of your financial situation and achieve your financial goals.